In less than a minute, you can learn how to make this lovely tomato peel rose that is a beautiful accent to garnish your food. Simply hold your tomato, use a very, very sharp knife, and continue peeling the tomato in one direction slowly. After you have your peel, you are ready to start rolling it into a flour. Start at the center and roll it tightly, again in the same direction, and you of course want to keep your peel in one long continuous strip, and you just keep rolling and rolling and rolling, and before you know it, you're going to have a beautiful rose that you can embellish for your salads and other foods.